Welcome to the pre-show show. We've got the real Boris and Robin show starting in a few minutes. Yesterday, one of the viewers here of the pre-show show, which I appreciate, by the way, everybody watching this, was wondering if I was okay. They said that I look really tired in these videos. Of course I do. I get up at 4 o'clock in the morning. If you'll notice the Monday video for the pre-show show, I'm usually clean-shaven. My eyes are not red and puffy. But as we get further and further into week, it's Thursday today, I just fall apart more so than usual. So tomorrow's not going to be much better, but I promise by next week we'll freshen up and start all over again. But this is what you get. This is the life of a morning radio DJ. But today on the show, we've got a lot of stuff going on. Attorney Jonna Spilborn is going to be in. She's going to be handling a legal problem that one of our listeners has about a meal that they ordered that came with a little something extra, a little critter in it, and what they should do to remedy the situation. Also, we're going to get her to chime in on this new Facebook thing where you can now serve divorce papers on Facebook. How does that affect our listeners? I know a lot of our listeners, blame Facebook for their imminent divorces, but now they can get that divorce on Facebook. So we'll find out more about that. Also, there's this video going around of The Tonight Show from Tuesday night where Jimmy Fallon had Louis C.K. as a guest, and the two of them just sat and reminisced about performing at Bananas in Poughkeepsie. Remember the old Bananas on Route 9 right there in the hotel? Well, they had some, I don't want to say fond memories, but memories of performing in Poughkeepsie. So this morning, this is for all the old school Hudson Valley people. We're going to be talking about your fond memories, whether it was at Bananas, Let's Dance, remember Cahoots in New Windsor. There's a lot of great clubs and bars and comedy places that have come and gone. The Vault in Port Jervis, that was a comedy place for a little while in the 90s. So we'll talk about all those in your memories this morning as well. And a big congratulations to Barry Manilow. He got married, finally, to his longtime partner and manager. This is an interesting story because Barry Manilow has been in the closet forever. And he's one of those celebrities that no one really has touched. He's been very private, but finally, I don't know if he came out or was pushed out, but a lot of people attended his wedding to his longtime partner, and I think it's about time that Barry Manilow came out. So congratulations to him. We'll talk a little bit more about Barry. I've been talking way too much about Barry Manilow right now, but we'll have that coming up this morning, and I'll try to get rid of some of the puffiness. We'll see you on the air in a few minutes.